I'm taking a look at APLD here on April 28th, and we have a potential bottom here. So I'm still keeping an eye out for APLD to test towards $5.30 resistance. We recently had a high of $4.94 here, and I still believe we're on track to $5.30. If you want to compare the current price here at $4.70 all the way up to $5.30, that is an additional 12.5% move up towards the top side here. Again, I'm still pretty optimistic of a test towards those levels. If I zoom out to the daily chart and then zoom in here, you can see I'm still waiting for this gap fill to occur. And again, it's going to be closer to $5.30. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments for APLD. And again, thank you guys for watching. I know some of you guys have still continued to watch my videos, especially those of you that are long-term in APLD. Thank you for commenting and letting us know what your average is in APLD. If you're new here to the channel, or even if you've been continuing watching for APLD, let us know down below in the comments what your average is for APLD, what you're currently doing at these current prices. I think for me, in my opinion here, while we're still below $5.30, this could be a potential dip opportunity, especially for long-term investors. I am going to zoom out to the weekly chart here, and as you can see here, personally, I definitely don't want to be adding when it's up here close to the recent highs. I really like that we are now currently down below $5.30, ranging between $3.34 and $5.30. I think if you're looking to load into a position for APLD, well, the spot to be doing it in and the range to be doing it in my opinion, is between $3.30 and $5.30. If you don't have a community yet for APLD, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join. And again, we do have over 32,000 members and a dedicated chat section for APLD as well. We've seen a bounce here, by the way, on the 200 moving average for the weekly chart here. It's occurring here right around April of 2024, which is pretty much a year ago, and then here in September 2024, and finally happening for a third time here once again. And this really does seem to be a pretty good support level for the 200 moving average on the weekly chart. It's proven to be a potential bottom here for APLD, and I think this is a pretty good entry point if you're looking for a reversal back up to the top side. And again, personally, I do think $12.48 is going to be retested. It's just going to take some patience and time as well. And at least on the daily chart, I do want to mention, if you didn't watch our previous video, that we did break out of this downtrend pattern. Downtrend pattern here had a few touch points. You can see the top here and the second point here. And then the third point here, we broke above into the top side. As for the bottom of this downtrend, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points. And then again, now breaking above to the top side. So this is pretty bullish in my opinion. I would definitely keep an eye out for a move towards $5.30. Once we break above $5.30, the next resistance I really want to keep an eye out for. And again, the overall market actually might be up during this time when I do have this prediction here towards $6.66. By the time we see $6.66 get retested, I believe the overall market, including the S&P 500, should be up towards the top side as well. And again, I'm going to be patient for this, and I do think it might take some time, although I wouldn't be surprised if this took only a month or 2 months. And again, I'm keeping an eye out for a $2 spike here, closer towards $6.66, right around a 41% move from our current prices here. If you don't have a community yet, again, highly recommend joining our Discord. And if you're looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, this does include APLD as well. Join our Patreon. We do have a 90% off permanent discount, and the link is going to be down below in the description of the video, okay? It's going to be a permanent discount if you're able to secure the spot. And again, it's for our 5-year anniversary.